Bye, 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 bye. Day. Some people go say, I love Ada. I remember my grandfather. Day. Onye mụtara onye na-eje n'ogige wee na-eje adụrụ mango na-ewere ife abụrụ nke ya, onye ori ka ọ bụ. If you train a child and that child is taking things that does not belong to him, or you yourself, you take things that is not your own, who are you? Onye ori ka ị bụ. Yes, I want you to have a good relationship that will bring a good, successful home. This video here today is for all of us. Maybe you have been doing good thing, and this good thing you are doing, people doesn't appreciate you. People doesn't talk about you. You want to be noticed, and you are not being noticed. Yes, and I want to tell you something today. What is it that I want to say? I want to tell you that you are a good person. You have a good relationship with your husband, or with your siblings, or with your anyone, and because of it, they are letting you down. Because of it, they are insulting you. Because of it, there's a lot of disrespect. Because you humble yourself. Good relationship is what you're giving to them, but they did not want to appreciate you for it. I want to tell you that there is someone who will appreciate you. Who person know they see. Even your heart will be, don't change from your good to bad. It doesn't mean that you will not set your boundary. Set your boundary. Maintain the boundary. But don't change your way. Don't become a bad person. Don't plan a for someone. Why do I say this? Someone have come to us crying that her own mom have finished him. All the money is sending from abroad using the mommy's accounts. Not knowing that the mommy have given the sister the accounts, and the sister was taking money from there. He is heartbroken this time. And he's asking us, what will he do? If you save money in the hand of your mother, and your mother gave your siblings that money, what will you do? Answer, please, on the comment section. And my own is this, brother. If you are above this money, even if you are not above this money, I know you cry. Go inside, cry. After crying, forget the money. Because even if you did not forget the money, they cannot give you this money. They don't have it. They have misused it. Yes. And I want to tell you, move on. It has just been a way for you to know that you can't save money or save anything in the hand of anyone. If you are abroad, you want to build, save your money in your accounts, come back and take your time. Come back, build small, go back. Yes, people are doing it for a reason. It's not everybody that you leave money with. Your mom cannot keep your money. You don't know how they are collecting the money. Even if they are not collecting it without your mommy consent, she may decide to keep quiet just because of you. They don't want you to have problem with your siblings. That is a mom for you. But I want to beg you, forgive your mom. Because if you don't forgive your mom, it will be hard. But if you can forgive your mom and you do this, I know heaven is your limits. Okay? Please, this is what I have to say. If you have anything to tell him, say it on the comment section. He's heartbroken. He needs to come up. But what is it? Go to the wall of my wall. You will see where I wrote it. Yesterday, it dawned on me that we need to do what? Forgive and forget. Goodbye. Love Ada Family TV.